Happy Wednesday, people. We are getting a coffee, as you can see, at our lovely accommodation in PAI. It's beautiful out here. Stay tuned, I'm gonna wake the boys up soon. It's only me and Hayden that are up at the moment. No, I'll give them a tour in a bit. But yeah, we're staying over here. And I will go in there and I will wake these boys up for the entertainment purposes of this video, okay? Anyway, stay tuned. Guys, hello. It is the evening. I completely forgot to record a video of the room, so we're gonna do a room tour now. Bedo's gonna introduce you to where we are. Where are we?
Shire Resort.
Okay, Shire Resort. Keep going. This is the magical place. It's like a wooden house, and this is the chill spot over there.
Baby, come through.
Shit.
Come through.
Coming. Right, so the story is we have two friends. They're a little bit ill at the moment, so we're the last ones standing. We gotta pray to God we don't get ill as well. Anyway, this is my room, and Bedo's and Kian's. Look at that.
Casa de Boys, mate. This is Bedo.
This is where dreams are made. Oh my God, this is Ben. This is one of them.
This is fucking Ben.
He's the wounded.
Recovering. He's in recovery mode.
Oh
He's
my
in recovery mode.
Don't drink the river water. This is from the tipsy tubing. Yesterday, we reckon has made them ill.
We've got the speaker and everything.
Okay, well done. This is the toilet. Yeah. Right.
No, our toilet's
and we move on.
man.
I know, because he's been vomiting. Okay, come on.
Right, on we
Next
press.
room.
On we press.
Shut the door. There's so many bugs here. It's insane. Up north, there's a lot of bugs. Alright, knock politely. Hello, people. How are you feeling, Charlie? This is the other wounded.
These are the wounded.
And then there's two more here. They are
Knocked out, mate.
fucking clonked. And that's Hayden's bed, anyway. And then there's a toilet in it over here.
Yeah.
Anyway, Charlie, I hope you feel better, bro. Alright.
Nice.
That wraps up the room tour.
We'll show him to the real toilet.
Oh, okay. This is not the real toilet, man. Oh no.
This is where, mate, this is where all the lizards are at.
No.
All the lizards just watching me.
Look, they're here.
They're all just there, bro. They're watching me.
I could not ask for better conditions.
Bro, they all just tickle my feet as I
Oh
foot massage.
my God. Yes, please. This is so relaxing. Look.
I'm not gonna lie. This is gonna be a special, bro. We've not been upstairs yet.
Oh no. Okay. Alright. So let's go upstairs. Alright. It is quite late. It is about 1 o'clock. So we have to be quiet a bit though. Oh, he's gone. He's going. He's chundering. He's running. Oh, it's just how there's a lizard. Oh my God. It's quite cool. There's another lizard. Look at this, Sean. We are missing a bit. Mission complete. This is the side quest. We are now loaded with beanbag. Now show them the chill spot. Paradise, people. So we do have a shared pool.
Where's the lights now?
Over here, but it's we've been giving it a miss. We'll put it blunt. This is the chill spot. That's Hayden. Hayden, say hello.
I'm going in bed, mate.
Hayden, go in bed. Alright, safe, bro.
No.
No. And this is Kian. Kian, say hello. Stay quiet. Say hello.
Tell this knobhead to put that back.
Oh no, the beanbag is it had spider webs on it and no one has been using it.
It was calling our name.
Safe. We're canyon.
Gonna walk to the top is like 10 minutes, and we've got to stay on the left.
Of course, it's a bit of a sketchy walk apparently. So.
Up into the mountains, yeah, it's really thin. It's really thin. And we're gonna see the last bit of the sunset, but we've got to run there. Come on.
Look how awesome this looks. Good old banana milkshake. Dank. Look at this, guys. I have a cup holder for my milkshake.
It's gone.
Yeah, the sun's gone, but
I reckon my joint will still catch it.
wow, that's mad. That's crazy. Bit of a steep drop if you fall.
That was one of the reasons I thought maybe Gabe will come out tomorrow as well.
Okay, I think I found the better spot in this canyon area. Have a look. Here's the boys, you found the spot?
Yes. We've got to go see the dancing hippie.
My God.
There's a hippie bird up there dancing around.
One over here?
Yeah. Some black pants floating down there.
Yeah.
Welcome to PAI Canyon, baby.
Let's go. Look at this, it's beautiful. It's burning season, so this is why there's a lot of smoke. You can see here, there is a fire happening. Just about to. Look at this treacherous terrain, people. Let me get up here soon. Okay, we made it. Bit of a scramble, but it's worth the view, definitely. Yes.
Find down the shorts, yeah.
Look at this drop. This must be a couple hundred feet.
We need Benno's drone up here, right?
Look at that. Beautiful. You can see that wildfire better now.
Come on now, everyone look now. Is that better?
Yeah, probably. What do we think of the view, boys?
Fuck yeah.
Worth the scramble?
Pretty fucking breathtaking if you ask me.
100%
Look at this.
Scramble gave me adrenaline.
Look at that ledge as well. I'm gonna stand there.
It's insane. This is what the trek does to your feet, people. Oh my lord. Fresh. Another incident of mucky feet. Troglodyte feet. Okay, we have found a wildfire. Cannot see it very well, it's too smoky, but it looks like lava running down. He's finished the meal already because it's taken how long? 2 hours maybe?
Hour and a half.
It's okay. We don't have any rush, do we, Ben?
I've got rice, no naan bread. No bloody naan.
But it is delicious and it's definitely worth the wait.
There is negative 9 in it.
What the fuck? I just get on
Just helping him out.
Okay.
You could have like poured it.
Beery water.
What do you want me to do? Are you gonna drink?
Classic. Yeah. Anyway, that wraps it up for today, guys. Thank you for the charger. Make sure to like and subscribe. We're back at the hotel now, at the hostel.
Like and subscribe, people.
Like and subscribe. I'll be uploading more content hopefully. But yeah, stay tuned. Goodbye.